So Wesley, where are we headed, buddy?
We're heading up to Sly's pad. Check out his digs, put a grill in his backyard, show him how to use it, get him excited.
Yeah.
Let him learn about the lifestyle of owning the American Whistle Grill.
Along with us is our national sales manager and cook extraordinaire.
Hello.
And that's all you're gonna say, man?
Well, wait till you taste the food today.
Of course, we have me, and I'm just there for the ride. We're up at Sly's house. We're gonna demo, do the grill, get it prepared.
Got any makeup or anything?
There he is, man.
Hair, makeup, all that stuff.
He's the man.
He let that thing go, put the fire on it, and burn it for about 8-10 minutes, shut it off, let it go for another 5 or 6, came out with a mallet and broke it down on the whole half of the grill, which was red oak, white ash, and he cooked on it for about an hour and a half.
What do you think, buddy?
We have a fire.
And as we need them, that's another great tool.
Who you see?
By the way,
Yeah.
don't grab that tool because you only do it once.
Yeah. Here we go. What are we cooking there, buddy?
We're cooking some Snake River tri-tips.
Snake River tri-tips. Cooking for Sly, right?
Yes, we are.
Sly and the ladies.
This is something I've never seen here.
Isn't that something?
This is how restaurants do.
I swear.
Yeah.
It's skill.
It's over real wood, real fuel.
Can't be afraid.
And you don't have to have it this high either. We're doing it over the wood and the coal simultaneously just to show you the use it. And then we'll move it over and keep it cooler, let it cook, and do vegetables on the other side, all over the gas. What are you cooking, Sam?
These are stuffed jalapenos wrapped in bacon.
I love the bacon.
Woo!